Hey guys, Ishin here. Today I'm back for another vlog. We found something very cool. I'm about to show you right now. Hold on.
She will pick her feet up.
Look at this.
Take the bỏ vô trong cái hole này nè.
It's so adorable.
I know.
Hi there, little guy. Hi. It's a little baby bird. It's a little baby bird. So adorable. We have a little
Just put it up there. Oh, baby. Bỏ đi xuống cái hole lủng này nè. Mẹ nó sẽ smell nó. Mẹ nó tới pick nó up.
You see it, but there's a little nest.
Yep.
Right up there.
Cái bỏ nó xuống cái lỗ á. Cái hole đó đó. Đó, there you go. There you go. No, she will get stronger. She almost big. Yep.
There's a little nest right up there. Right there.
You see her?
I got it.
You see her?
And now,
I don't see her.
look.
Yeah, baby. Mommy's up
Little
there.
baby
Yeah,
bird.
mommy up there.
So adorable.
Lay on it.
Where what?
Lay on the baby in there.
But there's a baby down here.
There's more than just one egg.
Yeah, more.
How do you know?
Still got eggs in it.
Probably. Oh my gosh, that's adorable.
Should I put her back in there?
No, no. That's part of life for this little bird.
She's not gonna make it. No. Oh, that's really upsetting.
Bah, we know you love nature.
I love bird too.
I love nature.
Bah, only if one of my friends were here. You know why? Bah.
Tôi vô lấy food nhé, bỏ vô.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys saw that, but we had a little baby bird. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Hey, look who it is. Look who we have here. It's a little bird. It's Casey. Hi, Casey. She's like, just look at her. What have you brought this here? It's what she's saying right now.
Nature.
Nature.
Nature, mate. There.
Look at it.
It's so cute. Sheenie.
It is not ours.
Mama.
Oh, I see the nest. She gotta step out the way.
How come the mom? Don't scare her away too.
Right, we won't. Enjoy your feast, little guy. Yeah, we will.
Hopefully she will feed him.
Him or her. Whatever it is.
That was absolutely beautiful. What you think of it?
It was so cute. Actually, what? If one of my friends were here, she would actually pick her up and put her back in the nest because she's really gentle with insects and
This is a bird. Speaking of birds, we have a very special bird with us. The one, the only, our little bird, Casey. Hi, baby. Hold the camera.
Don't take her out, Matt.
Yeah, bring her a little bit. Let her fun. Let her have fun.
Let her out for an hour and a half. Ooh, joy.
Just look at her. Such a beautiful.
Let her out for an hour and a half.
This is, oh shoot, wait. This is a cockatiel.
I can't see her. I can't see her.
Very beautiful bird. Here you go.
She'll stay there for an hour and a half, guys.
Yeah,
She's a well-trained bird.
very well trained.
She'll
I
stay
love
there
her.
for an hour and a half.
This is an amazing vlog. Nature at its finest.
But I feel so sorry for that baby bird.
It's okay, it's a baby bird.
But it was, when I was looking, it was so adorable.
Casey. Casey, pretty bird. Can you say something to the camera? Hmm? B. Don't act like a bird. You'll never be the bird that you always want to be. That was terrible. I don't know why I do that, but yeah. Well, that's all I wanted to show you guys. It was a very special day. And also, be sure to watch it, because now new content will be coming out. Well, anyways, in this video,
Love it when nature happens.
Yes, nature's a beautiful thing. Well, anyways, as always, have a good day and goodbye.